What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Entertainment. So, as you know by now, Judge Rata has made it very clear that he is not going to allow any new postponements to this trial, and that means Advocate Mnisi has to be ready by Tuesday to cross-examine Brigadier Kininda. But Advocate Mnisi has made it very clear too that on Tuesday he is going to withdraw from representing Moses Sevilla. So this now means that the ball is with Moses Sevilla to make a game-changing move. And he has like a couple of options that he has. And the first option that Moses has is to hire a new lawyer. And the best lawyer that Moses can actually get out there right now is Advocate. Therefore, by hiring Advocate, therefore he's hiring an experienced lawyer who is already like well vexed with this case, and therefore would make a very good representation for Moses Sevilla. The second option is for Moses Sevilla to actually represent himself. This is very unlikely and risky, and it's actually also highly discouraged in a murder trial because the complexity of the case and the risk of self-incrimination, it makes this very, very dangerous. So another option that Moses Sevilla has is to actually like raise a complaint or an objection if he feels that his legal rights are being violated, so he can actually like lodge a complaint. If he does not lodge a complaint and simply accept Judge Rata's decision, he can simply proceed without an objection. That means the trial will be continuing with him unrepresented. But I don't like any of all of these options. The best option that I like is Moses Sevilla being represented by Advocate Therefore. So what option do you have for Moses Sevilla out there? Tell me in the comment section and I'll catch you guys on the next one.